Hey there, savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to remove an old address from your Experian credit report in 2025. If you've ever noticed an outdated address lingering on your credit report, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can affect your credit score and even lead to identity theft concerns. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle it step by step. First things first, why should you care about removing an old address? In 2025, with stricter data privacy laws and more frequent credit checks, keeping your information accurate is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit profile. It helps prevent errors that could impact loan approvals or even job applications. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Experian account. Head over to the Experian website or app and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and straightforward. Step 2. Navigate to the Personal Information, or Dispute Center, section. Once logged in, look for the area that displays your personal details like addresses. Experian has made this easier in 2025 with a more user-friendly interface, so it should be a breeze. Step 3. Identify the outdated address. Scroll through your report and flag the old entry. Make sure you have proof of your current address handy, like a utility bill or lease agreement, as you'll need it for verification. Step 4. Initiate a dispute. Click on the option to dispute the information. Experian allows you to submit disputes online, and in 2025, they've sped up the process with AI-assisted reviews. Provide a clear explanation, attach your supporting documents, and submit it. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Experian typically processes disputes within 30 days, but with 2025 updates, you might get a response faster. Keep an eye on your email for updates and follow up if needed. A quick tip. Double-check your entire credit report while you're in there. It's a great opportunity to spot other inaccuracies. And remember, if you're dealing with multiple bureaus like TransUnion or Equifax, the process is similar, so you might want to update those too. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll keep your credit report squeaky clean and up to date. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart and see you in the next video.